But first, ladies and gentlemen, members of the House, let's leave the debate by defining concepts. First is universities and second is mandatory drug testing. When we talk about universities, we refer to both private and public and colleges universities here in the Philippines. Well, when we talk about mandatory drug testing, we are referring to the technical examination of body fluid and hair in determining the presence or absence of prohibited drugs, which should be given twice per semester. In the status quo, ladies and gentlemen, the LSU, CEU, San Beda, among others, were just reported and found out that their students are using or are involved not only in drug pushing, but also found out that their students are using prohibited drugs. The credibility of the school is not only at stake here, ladies and gentlemen, members of the South, but also the security of other students and other people who are near these vicinities of the school. We all know, ladies and gentlemen, that there is a growing number of criminal acts that are caused by the consumption or by this issue of drug addiction. And we all know, ladies and gentlemen, there is the right way to ensure the security of all the people who may accidentally encounter these drug addicts.
Why should it be included in a tuition fee?
Ladies and gentlemen, it should be included in the tuition fee because of some reasons I will talk about later. Thank you. And like any other institution of learning, a school should not only be concerned with the academics, but also with the holistic development of the students. Therefore, we on the government side propose that universities here in the Philippines should include drug testing in their tuition fees. We have set the calendar for this debate, ladies and gentlemen. First, series of symposia should be given to the students and the faculty members concerning the issue of drug use and addiction. Second, the students should be taking 2 drug tests per semester. During tests will be used to examine the students. And third, sanctions will be given to students who are positive in using drugs. We have also set philosophy for this debate, ladies and gentlemen. A drug-free university has to promote a drug-free country. The debate is all about why is there a need to include mandatory drug testing in the tuition fee, and not how will we include drug testing in the tuition fee. As the first speaker, ladies and gentlemen, I will talk about the benefits of mandatory drug testing, not only to students, but also to the university and to the other people involved, both micro and cycle level. My first argument, ladies and gentlemen, is that mandatory drug testing included in tuition fee will provide security to other students who do not use prohibited drugs. Security is a necessity to protect oneself from danger. In the context of mandatory drug testing, it can benefit the students who do not use drugs by making them aware that other students are using drugs, making them aware and distancing themselves from these students who use drugs. And if the university finds out that the student is under the influence of drugs, he will be given suspension by the school, thus giving other students security. How does this happen, ladies and gentlemen? If the school would find out that the student is under the influence of prohibited drugs, through this mandatory drug testing included in the tuition fee, the university has the right to penalize this student and suspend him, and finally has the authority to take the action with regard to this criminal act. Therefore, this drug user will be detached from other students in his university, allowing other students to be safe from him, avoiding his influence them, thus giving these students and other stakeholders security. Let's take, for example, ladies and gentlemen, Hunter Dome Central Regional High School in New Jersey saw significant reduction of 20 of 20 drug users categories after 2 years of a drug testing program. Example, cocaine used by seniors dropped from 13% to 4%. And because of this drug testing program, many students were able to move freely inside their school, giving them security from the students who were suffering because of the influence of drug addiction. This goes to show, ladies and gentlemen, members of this House, that mandatory drug testing in the universities, included in the university tuition fee, will give security to students who do not take drugs and other people in the community. To synthesize everything, we the government side cited benefits of mandatory drug testing, not only in micro level, but also in cycle level. We believe that through this mandatory drug testing implemented inside the university, would mold students not only academically, but also holistically. And at the end of the day, we as a government side believe that a drug-free university helps promote a drug-free country. And that I recommend it, ladies and gentlemen.
Uy, hanapin mo kung nandito yung unit ng phone mo. Huwag ka magalit, ah.
Good afternoon, Mr. Chair and members of this House. We on the opposition side doesn't agree to the motion this House would require universities to include mandatory drug testing in the tuition fee. There is no problem regarding the requirement to have drug testing in the universities, but in including it into the tuition fee will have a problem. This will be open to abuse. Corruption will be included if universities and the government will have a collaboration in including the drug testing to the students to tuition fees. As the first paper, I will talk about how including mandatory drug testing in tuition fees of the universities promotes away corruption. Inclusion of a drug testing to tuition fee in universities will provide corruption between the government and the universities. It is the government's project to have drug testing in students, and they will just have a tie-up to the universities. In the context of including mandatory drug testing in tuition fee of the universities, it can have a way to insert corruption in connection with the government. How can this be possible? It is the administration's way of fighting illegal drugs in the country, but it's also a potential money-making scheme. And if it is included in the tuition fee of the students, the government will be protected because it will be the university's coverage. Because tuition fees are under the university's policies, rules, and regulations. Therefore, yes.
With regards to corruption, can you guys have the statistics or facts that can be related to mandatory testing and corruption?
Later, the example of insurance personally. Because tuition fees are under the university's rules and regulations. Therefore, the government will be out of the context if this happens. Because the universities will protect the government for any consequences. The government should be the one to fund this mandatory drug testing and not be included in the tuition fee. And as a matter of fact, Dr. Emmanuel Angeles, said chairman, also revealed the release of 6 million pesos for the program. So why is needed to be included in the tuition fee if there is already a release of 6 million pesos for the program? As an example, the drug testing of the Land Transportation Office is required before one driver should have a license or his renewed license. Uno's spokesman Adel Tamano said that many drivers of utility vehicles complain the corrupt LTO personnel use the program for extortion. Also, Toto attributed the drug testing percentage to corruption in some LTO personnel. The amount is based on the last year's record, which shows 3 million applicants paying around 300 pesos for each drug test. If in a small government office like LTO, corruption appeared and no actions have been done in the inclusion of mandatory drug testing to application of license, then it is more possible that corruption appeared to an educational establishment like universities and colleges if mandatory drug testing will be included in the tuition fee, because this will create the image that it is for the sake of the student's education, not for the government. This goes to show that including mandatory drug testing in the tuition fee in the universities will provide a way of corruption. In essence, including mandatory drug testing in universities tuition fee will just promote a way of corruption in the government that is inclined to universities' coverage. There is no problem regarding mandatory testing for students enrolled in universities.